For my baby soul bootie, I will use this yarn, lace weight yarn from Grundel, Lisa Premium Uni. Features of this yarn are the following. I will put in the information box below the information where you can buy this yarn. I took it on Amazon. I will work this lace yarn with a 3mm crochet hook. Slip knot to start. Chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now in the chain number 3 from the hook, 1, 2 and 3, single crochet 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now from here in the next 5 chains, 5 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the next 6 stitches, double crochet 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you see I have just one chain left. In this chain I have to double crochet 6 times so that I can turn to the other side. Into the last chain, double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now again double crochet 3 into the same chain. Totally 6. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now into the next 6 chain, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Into the next 5 chains, 5 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round, not the chain but the first single crochet, like that. Ready for the second round. Round number 2. Chain 1. Into this very first stitch 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Into the next stitch 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Now into the next 11 stitches, 11 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now into the next 6 double crochet in the turning area. I have to double crochet 2 in each one of these. So into the first one, 1 and 2 double crochet. Into the next one, 3 and 4. Into the next one, 5 and 6. Into the next one, 7 and 8. Into the next one, 9 and 10. Into the next one, 11 and 12. Now into the next 11 stitches double crochet 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Into the next 2 stitches, 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2 into the first one, 3 and 4 into the next one, and now slip stitch to join into the first half double crochet of this round. Your shawl for 0-3 months is completed. Okay, thanks for watching. Please give me your like if you enjoyed this video. This will help my channel to be alive. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye bye.